2016 AMC12A Question 12. In triangle ABC, AB is 6, BC is 7, and CA is 8. D lines on BC, A lines on AD, AD bisects BAC, so these are congruent. E lies on AC and BE bisects ABC, so these two are congruent. And so, by this angle bisector theorem, I can actually figure out what each of these lengths are. And that's the first method I had to try to solve it, but there's actually a smarter way. I don't need to know all of these individual lengths. I have all of the proportions. All I really need to know is the ratio AF to FD. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find dB here, and then I can use the bisector ruler theorem to get that ratio. So here's the idea. Let's call this x and this y. Or I don't even need to do that. Let's just use the correct notation. So since I have an angle bisector, I will know that CD divided by AC will equal DB divided by AB. We're given AC 8 and AB 6, so CD over 8 equals DB over 6. Cross multiply and reduce down, we'll get 3 CD equals 4 DB. Next thing, so I change colors. I know that CD plus DB has to equal 7. And so let's figure out what DB is. So I'm going to solve for CD here. So CD equals 4/3 dB. And substitute into that equation CD plus DB equals 7. So substitute this expression in for CD. 4/3 dB plus dB equals 7. Combine like terms, so 4/3 dB plus 1 whole dB, which is the same as 3/3 dB, is 7 over 3 dB equals 7. Multiply both sides by 3/7, and I will get that dB must equal 3. And that shouldn't be surprising. I know that these are in a ratio of 3 to 4, so this one's going to be 4, because 3 plus 4 is 7. Now I actually have enough information to figure out this ratio, because I have this triangle here with BF being an angle bisector of DBA. And so I can actually say this, okay, I want AF to FD. So I can say AF to 6, I could actually do it straight away, but I'll do it this way, equals FD to 3. I want AF to FD, so I'll divide both sides by FD and multiply both sides by 6. I'll get AF over FD equals 6 over 3, which is equal to 2 over 1, or a 2 to 1 ratio. Feel free to comment below with any questions.